one. 1970 Ford Galaxy 500, 4,200 fit Bruceville, Texas. This two-door hardtop Galaxy 500 is a great project base for any full-size Ford enthusiast. With a V8 engine, automatic transmission, factory air conditioning, and power steering, it has the bones of a solid cruiser. It currently runs, though the bottom end needs work to make it a reliable daily driver. The transmission is in good shape, and it features a custom interior, though the door panels still need finishing. With 133,000 miles on the odometer, clean title, and classic red paint, this full-size coupe is a stylish candidate for a resto mod or preservation project. 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 convertible, $4,900, Aldergrove, British Columbia. This Delta 88 convertible is a rare, highly optioned Oldsmobile featuring the powerful 425 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor. It comes equipped with 6 power windows, power vent windows, power bucket seat, center console with tachometer, tilt and telescoping steering, and a power top. Recently serviced with new brakes, fuel system, alternator, and more, it runs and drives. However, it suffered an engine fire in the past and has rust in places, though the frame remains solid. With a clean title and tons of potential, it's an impressive 1960s cruiser worth restoring. 1964 Chrysler Newport 361 V8, $9,750, Portland, Oregon. This Newport 4-door hardtop sedan offers full-size American luxury, powered by a 361 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has only 34,000 miles showing, odometer has rolled over, a clean Oregon title, and a solid running and driving condition. Upgrades include a modern 60-amp alternator and a $3,000 Alpine stereo system. The ceramic window tint adds comfort and protection. For those wanting a vintage Mopar with a classy profile, this well-kept Chrysler is a standout from the mid-1960s. .4 1964 Chrysler New Yorker, $2,250, Missoula, Montana. Offered as a running project, this Chrysler New Yorker comes with a potent 440 cubic inch V8 and a push-button automatic transmission. It recently started after sitting for over 2 decades. While it drives, it currently lacks brakes, needs a battery and alternator, and has no title. The odometer shows 7,756 miles, likely rolled over. Despite its rough state, its big block power and iconic styling make it a worthwhile candidate for a full restoration. Top 5 1963 Ford Thunderbird, $9,000, Fortuna, California. This classic Bullet Bird coupe is a family-owned car since new, with an estimated 177,000 miles. It runs and starts with a clean title in hand. Needs include a brake booster, alignment, and some electrical fixes. The car has a strong presence with its original white paint and timeless design. As a personal luxury vehicle from the early 1960s, it's a great platform for someone who wants to bring an iconic Thunderbird back to top shape. 6 1954 Chevrolet 210, $8,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 4-door 210 sedan is mechanically sound and has undergone a cosmetic refresh, with the body cleaned, painted, and reassembled. The inline 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission offer an authentic mid-century driving experience. The car needs a new interior, though the original parts are included and may be reused. A clean title and 54,000 miles make it a solid classic starter for the right buyer. 7 1955 Pontiac Chieftain, $7,800, Golden, Colorado. This Chieftain is powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, offering a more modern twist under the hood. With recent upgrades including a new exhaust, brakes, alternator, and battery, it starts and runs well. The body is straight and largely rust-free. This early post-war Pontiac blends 1950s flair with a touch of updated performance, making it a great value classic with curb appeal. 8. 1957 Chevrolet 210 Wagon, $10,000, Renton, Washington. A straight and mostly original wagon, this 57 Chevrolet 210 is a fair condition project with serious potential. It retains all the original chrome and stainless trim, though the interior needs a full restoration and the passenger side floor requires repair. The odometer is broken, and it's unclear if it currently runs. However, the long roof styling and collectible year make it a desirable canvas for a classic hauler or surf wagon build. Nine 1952 Packard Henny Hurst, $9,995. This rare and unusual Packard Henny Hurst is a factory original survivor with just 31,536 miles. It features a flathead straight 8 engine and 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The body is straight, the glass is intact, and it includes unique features like suicide doors and a roof rack. While it does not run, the engine turns freely. The new 3-way coffin system is missing, but it comes with a clean California title, a unique and eye-catching project for vintage commercial vehicle collectors. $10.1986 Chevrolet Camaro, $1,500, Chilliwack, British Columbia. Offered as a full restoration project, this third-generation Camaro has not run in 25 years. It features a 305 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, power windows, and tilt steering. With 156,000 kilometers, approximately 97,000 miles, the body and interior are in good shape, making it a solid foundation for a budget performance build or period-correct restoration. $11 1958 Dodge D100 pickup, $10,400, Westcliff, Colorado. This Dodge half-ton pickup blends vintage charm with performance upgrades. It's powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 paired with a 727 automatic transmission and rides on custom Riddler wheels with modern tires. Features include power steering, power disc brakes, a Kenwood stereo, and a long 7-foot 6-inch bed. The seller includes extra parts like a rear bumper and double headlight setup. With a clean title and only 51,758 miles, this is a well-preserved, tastefully updated classic truck.